Damn, man. I just got pulled over by the police, man. Fuck. God damn. I took a shit like a motherfucker, man. I took a shit, dude. My bad. I was speeding.
You literally did it right in front of me.
I didn't even see you, honestly. I swear to God.
You're cutting in and out of traffic too while you're doing it.
I swear to God, I was trying to get home to take a shit, dude. I'm not even.
You got the registration and insurance for the vehicle?
I don't have the insurance. It's my vehicle, but I just came back from Thailand. I've been out of the country for like 10 months. My cousin been driving it, so I know he has switched the insurance. I think that's it. Yeah, so check and see what date that is. I'm not sure. It's my vehicle, but like I said, he's been
It's expired.
It's expired. I gave him a power of attorney. Hold on.
Alright, well, I'll give you a second look for that because it's caught out here. Reason for the speed, obviously, is the speed. 101.
101?
Yes, sir. On camera.
Oh, man.
I was right behind you. You took off.
I didn't even see it, dude.
Got up to 101 in a 70. Criminal speed, took it to jail for it in Florida.
I apologize.
Just think about that while I do my thing, alright?
Alright. God damn. Shit. I got pulled over. Damn, man. Shit. I got a ticket, y'all. God damn, they got me. Shit. Fuck, bro. That man said he was behind me the whole time. Creeping. I didn't even know, bro. Shit. Fuck, man. God damn. And I gotta go, man. I gotta appear in court. Oh, shit. Fuck me. But y'all gonna get another POV, man. It's just gonna be a calm drive. I hope he's not behind me again because I was cutting up, bro. This is crazy, bro. I knew I was gonna get pulled over at some fucking point, but you know. God damn, man. This nigga gave me a ticket. I can't even pay the ticket. He said I gotta pay in court. That's wild, bro. Let me just pay this bitch. Shit. God damn, Mr. Officer. But he let me go because, you know, I'm a veteran and shit, so he let me go, man. I appreciate that shit, you know. I get to fight another day, but fuck, bro. God damn. Shit, man. I ain't gonna argue with him, though. I was speeding and shit, but shit. Nobody like no damn tickets. Fuck, dog. Damn, they take you to jail for 100 and what? He said I was doing 111, 112, and the 75. And he let me go. That's kind of, you know, he looked out because that was a lot over the limit. Shit. I gotta look at this damn ticket, man. Fuck. Yeah, y'all. up, man. I tried to cut up and got caught, man. Fuck. That is crazy. Gotta spend a little money. I was not looking forward to this shit, man. Fuck, dog. God damn. Sheesh. I gotta go back to Thailand and shit, so how the fuck? I leave on the 18th. I gotta see ticket clinic. What the fuck? Damn, man. Shit crazy, dog. This nigga right here, bro. Like, that's why. Fuck them Trackhawks, man. Them shit. Like, you get tickets, like, them shit is like magnets for tickets, bro. I just got back into the country. I get a fucking ticket, man. I've been going for 10 months, gang. 10 months. Came back in America and got a goddamn ticket. I got to appear in court. Ain't that some shit, huh? I was recording, but I wasn't recording him. You know, I didn't want to tell him I was making a YouTube video and then, you know, he take me to jail for speeding and shit, but fuck, dog. I gotta figure this shit out, man. Fuck, bro. I wonder how much this nigga charged me for this damn ticket. Cutting up went wrong. Damn, boy. 100 and what he said I was doing? That's crazy. Shit. I didn't even see him behind me. That is crazy, bro. I did not see that boy behind me at all. I did not see this nigga behind me, man. That's crazy, bro. Fuck, man. The last thing I fucking need is a ticket, dog. But I brought this up on myself, so I can't be mad at anybody, you know what I'm saying? It's just fuck. All I can say is fuck. But, you know, it is what it is. What can I fucking do, you know? Take accountability for your actions and then let's move on, man. He said he could have took me to jail, but he didn't, so. Young ass trooper, too. He let me slide, you know? Damn. Oh, man. Just what I fucking need is a ticket. Shit crazy, bro. Fuck. God damn, bro. But he got me, man. He got me, man. It is what it is, man, at this point. I don't even know how much a ticket is. Nigga said he could have took me to jail. Shit. For a ticket? Shit, for a speeding ticket? Damn. They're not fucking around in Florida. They're not fucking around, boy. Last thing I want is a ticket. resolve this shit right now. Man, I'm gonna end this video right here, yo. This shit, nigga, kill my buzz and shit. I'm just gonna go to the crib and chill, man. But hey, subscribe, man. I appreciate y'all, but I'm about to go to sleep. Park this shit up and go to sleep, man. So I see y'all in the next video, man.